Welcome to Skitmin Studio. Today we learn how to create attendance sheet in MS Word. First of all, page convert to blank space. Click insert and draw table. Type your heading. Now enter student detail. Write student name and mark attendance. Select heading and fill your color and then change the text color. I hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to Skillmint Studio. See you in the next video.